again for joining me on my ride today. I really do appreciate your company. Well, today, something a little bit different. I'm testing out some heated gloves. Now, these gloves can be used for anything. Obviously, I'm using them for cycling. These gloves are called Vulcan Sportswear. These are a high quality British design product created by a top guy called John Durrant. These gloves are suitable for all cyclists, roadies, MTBers, commuters, motorcyclists, skiers, hikers, dog walkers, etc., wheelchair and mobility scooter users, and other outdoor pursuits like fishing, etc., and so much more. Yeah, originally I ordered a pair of slim heated gloves because I wanted to use them as a liner for my regular winter gloves, but it didn't work really because my regular gloves were a little bit snug and just made the fingers really cramped. So I sadly sent them gloves back. Yeah, so I contacted John with my query and he kindly sent me 2 pairs of different types of gloves for me to test to see what one would suit me and my type of riding. And so that's what I'm doing today. I've got 2 pairs of gloves on test. On test today are these heated cycling and ski gloves. These are extremely warm with a waterproof and breathable liner. Heat to the back of the hand and the fingers. Also on test today are these heated aerogel gloves offering a slim fit, a heated woven element that covers the palm and fingers. Yeah, all 3 of the gloves that I've reviewed and tested are lightweight, they're weather resistant, they're powered by rechargeable lithium batteries. Yeah, they're easy charge as well via 3-pin magnetic connectors. All 3 pairs of gloves that I've looked at offer a fingertip touchscreen control. Battery life will vary because that's dependent on the real world elements and what settings you use. But on average, between 3 and 7 hours. Both these pairs of gloves that I'm testing today are absolutely brilliant, they really are. And I know I'm testing both these gloves, but it's really not made it any easier for me because I like them both. They both bring a, I don't know, they both bring a different comfort to the ride, you know what I mean? I got the ski and cycling glove. That's like really warm, I really do like that. At the end of the day, it's a winter glove and you want your fingers to be warm, don't you? They are absolutely top class, honestly. My fingers are toasting. And then I got the gel gloves. These are using NASA technology. These are a lot thinner. And obviously the heating's on the palm, so they feel like you got heated grips, like on a motorcycle. I gotta choose a pair today and I really don't know what ones to choose. Yeah, you could definitely ride the ski and cycling glove without any heating on. It's that warm, it really is. Which one do I choose though? Because I'll be using these for all sorts of things, not just for cycling. Yeah, I gotta try and make my mind up today. And I'm just thinking, well, you know, winter riding, I really want a pair of nice heated gloves on those cold days. I'll probably go with the ski and cycling gloves. Or do I choose the aerogel gloves? These things are lovely. You can just see they're really nimble. And because they got a heated element on the palm of the hand, feels like I've got heated bars. Feels really nice. You can definitely feel the breathability of the aerogel gloves because I can feel a draft coming through, if you know what I mean. It's nothing crazy, but you can feel it. That may suit you. But with a ski and cycling glove, oh, these things, man, these are absolutely toasting. Yeah, these gloves are also breathable, and these also have a waterproof liner stitched into the inside of the glove to really make them waterproof, windproof, and extremely warm. If you do suffer with really cold fingers or hands when the temperatures drop, these are definitely yours. These are so warm and comfortable, but a lot thicker than the aerogel ones. As you can see with the aerogel gloves, you've got the control button on the cuff, where on the ski and cycling glove, they're on the back of the hand. And I do prefer the zipper pull on the ski and cycling glove over the aerogel glove. So which ones would you choose, guys? Would you choose the ski and cycling glove? Or would you choose the aerogel glove? It's hard, isn't it? It really is hard to choose, guys. They're both really nice. They've both got their, well, not pros and cons, it's a pro, they really are. Because whichever glove I choose, it's going to be beneficial to me in my cycling, so it's just choosing the right pair. Do I choose these beautiful ski and cycling gloves? These are really toasty, really nice. Or do I choose the aerogel gloves, and these are really toasty as well and nimble, but these are just a lot warmer than these. But these are warm. It's hard to tell, but it's warm on the palm of the hand and fingers, where these are warm on the back of the hand and fingers. They both got the touchscreen control and lovely grippers. I do like the Velcro fastening straps on the ski and cycling glove, but I actually do prefer the Velcro strap on the aerogel gloves. I think as they're winter gloves, and I'm only really going to use them when the weather really plummets, I think it's got to be these, the ski and cycling gloves. I just like the warmth of these gloves so much more. So I'm sad to say these are going to have to go back, and I'll be keeping these. And I think what helped me choose the ski and cycling glove, because it is a winter glove, you know, I'm only going to wear this glove throughout winter time. And this glove, I can keep on the lower settings on my longer rides, and my hands are still going to be nice and toasty. So the battery will last throughout my ride, really, throughout winter. And if the battery does fail for any reason, you know, these are thick enough to keep my fingers warm anyway. So yeah, I think that's a winner for me. Yeah, I chose the cycling and skiing glove, guys. These things are something else. They really are. Right, guys, until next time, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found that interesting. And if you're looking for a pair of heated gloves yourself to suit your activities, go and visit Vulcan Sportswear, and go and check out their website online, and choose a pair of gloves that suits you and your activities. Until next time, guys, keep smiling and riding, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bye.